Hey everybody, it's your favorite real estate agent Michael Pryor with the Pryor Group of Keller Williams. I'm here today with Joel Langlois to show off this amazing, unique opportunity. It is a 652 square foot terrace with unobstructed views of the city.
The 1,100 square feet of interior space is mind-blowing. It has 2 full bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a very nice layout.
Also, arguably the best location in the city. We're on both subway lines. We're a couple blocks away from Yorkville. You're just down the street from the AGO. You're close to the University of Toronto. This location literally has it all. So come on in and take a look. Thanks very much for taking a tour. If you guys have any questions or you want to set up a private showing, feel free to get in touch with Joel or myself, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.